It takes a team.
Say, diri ka sa loyo, say. Say, diri sa... Ali, diri lamang... Nag...
Smiling. Ang cellphone.
Nagsokmed ko, ma'am, ha? Sige, ma'am. Yeah, wait lang.
Okay, after Annie, change the music. Oh my God. Slowly.
Na yung mga pagpasay mo yun.
Checking the time and timing. Like clockwork, we move in sync.
This is the moment of fellowship and gain your grace to be united together as a community with Christ in our
May
midst.
kura niya ang
We welcome them as they come to live out this love gratefully as we believe the living God who is the source of life and love. Let's accompany them with our prayers as they start their journey